Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Today, things they're quite different because there is a load shedding. Actually, there's a load shedding actually. So I'm forced actually just to use only my laptop, so you can't see me, you can't see other information, but it's fine as you will see the charts and other things. So before my laptop die, I will just start with Bitcoin as usual, but this will be very quick, guys, because I think on Bitcoin things are still the same, very the same. What we see is we still see that the market is still going down. We are on this downtrend, and you know what? We follow the trend. We do what? We follow the trend, and if we go closer, you will see that yes, the market is still consolidating. The market has been respecting this area, and on top we also have this area. So what's really happening is I'm expecting the market to do something like this before we see a breakout to the top or a breakout to the lower side, which means the market might be which means the market can break the support before pushing lower. Simple as that. So we don't really have to waste our time, because I think this is quite similar to what happened yesterday. You see, the market was doing the same thing. So now we are on German 40, German 30, DAX. So what do we see? We are still on a very nice actually downtrend, which is back here it was like seriously crazy, but now the market is starting to go slower, and around this area you can see this is our support area. Yesterday I saw this area pushing up, now it's back again. It means yes, the market might still push up. So currently what I see is the market might actually start to give us some like hedge move, or the hedge. Actually the market is creating a hedge shape, which means the market will be ranging with this type of an angle, a triangle. So the market might start to create something like this. So once the market creates something like that, actually it's a consolidation, but in this it's not, the market is consolidation on this in this type of a shape. So what we will wait for here is we will wait for the market to break this area, then we say we will buy, or maybe the market to break the support and we'll say we will sell. There is no point trying to say, okay, when the market is like this, it means the market will break the, or when the market is like, because I see some other strategies, or before when I learned these things, shape like this, it means the market will break lower or break up. No, just wait for the market to show you the breakout. You don't have to guess. Wait for the market to break this, either this support or maybe the resistance, then we can take the trade after. We don't have to guess these things, because the market will do that for us. You see, the market will do that for us. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now we are on gold, by the way. Gold, Gauta. We are on gold. What's really happening on gold is, yes, we still having the similar move, which is actually on a downtrend. The market is downtrending, consolidation, and here the market is also downtrending. If we go back, yes, we will see that the market is actually creating a downtrend like that. But just because I wanted to go very closer, that's why I'm just showing you this piece, because this area here, some of them they just quite useless, because we want to know what's really what's going to happen there. So what I have here is, you can see that, oh, we are on this area. We have an area where the market, where the market respects. So now it seems like the market is now creating this wedge move, and I'm expecting the market to do what? To give us the sell again, as the market has been respecting this, as the market is also on this downtrend. Or the opposite might happen. We might see maybe the market breaking this resistance and push it to the upside. That is also possible, guys. That is also possible. So yesterday we smashed the market, even though I did not go on live here on YouTube, because, guys, sometimes we get tired, man. We get tired, so I just said, you know what? It's fine. I'm not going to go live. I'm tired. As long as I gave them the daily analysis, they will check that, and maybe from that they will see that, okay, we're gonna have some very nice buy. That's why I'm saying that you're supposed to is supposed to watch my daily analysis because they can give you the bigger picture of what might happen later on. So now we are on US oil. By the way, we are on US oil. So what's really happening here is, yes, we still see that the market actually created that support. We see the market respecting this area. Even here we see some sort of a respect, you see, but I'm still expecting the market to push the upside, but it seems like the market is playing games around that area. So we can try to zoom very closer. We can easily see that, yes, the market is trying to consolidate around this area. I gave my people some signals. They told me they made something around this area when the market was pushing up, which it was very great for them. But now I can see the market is back, which makes this signal still valid. This makes this signal still valid. Unfortunately, we have this load shedding, which means I'm not gonna be active longer in the market. I'm just using backup power actually for my Wi-Fi, by the way. So after this, I know after 2 hours, I don't know if this thing will last for more than 2 hours, but the laptop obviously will die, especially when you plug the microphones and other devices, and then the laptop won't last longer. So what we see is, I'm expecting the market to push up from this area, or maybe the market to break. But if it breaks, we will see that, and we will wait maybe for a nice retest before the market pushes the lower side, which is something that I want, because I want oil to go down. Things are expensive, guys. Things are expensive, and you know when things are expensive, everything's gonna be tough. Actually, in the market, in the economy, everything is tough. So it forces us to actually focus on each and every news that we come across, and which is not really good, by the way. So what's really happening on US30? Let me just use 2 hours time frame, a bit smaller. Time frame doesn't matter as long as you see the nice structure that you understand. As long as you understand your strategy, that's everything that you actually need. The time frame is just the time. Actually, it's just how the market reacted within that time. So it doesn't matter if it's 4 hours time frame or 1 hour, but the bigger the time frame, the better. So what do we see here? The market, yesterday we smashed this market from this area to the upside. We saw the market. Let me just use 1 hour. I know they say, Kenzo, use the time frame that we used, the time frame that you are comfortable with. Let me see. Yeah, maybe you want something like this. Let me just remove that. That actually is the lowest level that I can call that maybe the market might create a support. I'm talking about this. So yeah, I will just leave it somewhere here. And so why did we buy? Actually, the market created this type of a move, which is straightforward on my side. So I can draw something like this, and then the market we bought around that area and pushing up. Even though I did get out early, by the way, but I hope they did hold. I did get out, by the way, because once I reach whatever that I feel like it's enough, I just get out. I'm not fighting the market, and I thank every cent that the market is giving me. I'm not trying to fight the market, by the way. So what do we expect today? I think we have a nice structure, which actually it's a wedge. You can see it's sort of a triangle. There is a chance that the market might start to consolidate around this area. Whether the market is going to break the support, push the lower side, it's fine. We will see that. If the market is going to break the resistance, it's also fine. We will see what we can do from there, so that we don't have to guess. So from now on, I can't say we buy or sell, because the shape is getting smaller and smaller, and which means the market might consolidate, and we might end up losing if we try just to be in the market non-stop. So I think even here is quite similar. If we draw something like this here, you will see we're gonna get that type of a shape. But I think maybe I'm just focusing on this now. Currently, I'm just focusing on this. Then we can have a proper resistance on top there. But still, you can see that structure is actually a wedge. And if you already know, yesterday we did smash the market with this type of a shape. You can see that around this area we did have a buy nicely, because we had 1, 2, and 3. Then when the market pushes up, we were already ready for the market because we already know what we do. We already what we want in the market, and it was just straightforward. But I'm expecting the market just to consolidate today. But I think that once the market is gonna come back later on, yes, it's fine. We will see what we can do. Yes, we can go left, but there will be some few changes, guys. There will be some few changes. Actually, I will be retiring actually very early, so it means there will be the last number of people that I'm going to take. So I will update you tomorrow. There will be some significant changes actually, because I see that sometimes I'm way too busy. When you check, I'm busy with people who are like, it's just free. It's free, so it's supposed to change. When I go live, I need to go with the premium members, and the price is gonna be way too cheaper. So tomorrow I'm gonna let you know, or maybe on our live session later on, I will tell you what's gonna happen. I know that actually next year around November I will be done. I know I will be done with the yearly people who paid already. I will be done teaching them. They will be great traders, obviously. Then I need to focus on myself, guys. I need to do only few things and improve myself, not me just giving people signals and stuff like that. We have the limits. I started last year, actually 2021. So next year should be the last time I send anyone signal or teaching people some Forex. I need to move to the next businesses, guys. I'm not going to be a Forex mentor forever, so I will just give you some nice updates, and I will need only limited number of people that I will teach. Then after that, actually up to August, I will no longer take anyone. So I just need to have some time. By the way, I just need not. It's not like I'm not going to work. I'm still going to work. I'm still gonna give you the daily analysis and other services. I'm just stopping taking people. Actually, I just want to take a fixed number, then I can deal with that. When I'm done with them, I'm done. There will be no any other mentor called Kenzo. Then I'll just relax and do other things. Simple as that. So on NASDAQ, as I said, we're gonna have we have to wait for the market to break this area, or maybe this support area. Then we can take any direction. As long as the market is going to show us that, then it's going to be way too easier for us. So I hope you understand. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bow.